You need better lighting.
Hi, Taco. Okay,
Shoot
hi,
him from
Taco.
over here, where the sun is.
Okay.
Always with the sun to your back.
Okay. Hi, Taco.
Can you do a dance? Shake hands. Glad to meet you. Can you do a dance? Say hello.
Hello.
What do you do when you see a pretty girl? Right. What do you... Right. How do you call her over? With a come here whistle. And what do you do when you see a pretty bird? That's funny. Say hello.
Hello.
You could be a dinosaur, the most powerful vegetable creature. Come on over. Don't lose. Come on. Come on back. Be a triceratops, the most powerful vegetable creature. Triceratops. More like a turkey, though. You look like a turkey. You don't want to be a turkey. Because they eat turkeys. They eat the wing. They bite them. They eat the turkey. Then they eat the leg. They bite the leg. He says no. That's fun. Okay.
Does he know how to count numbers?
Kiss. We love kisses. Yeah, how much is 8 minus 6? 2 kisses, right? 8 minus 6? Right, 2 kisses. 5 take away 4? 1 kiss. 1 minus 1? No, 2 minus 2? How much is 3 minus 2? How many kisses are left? Right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.